Hi, I'm Michael Johnston. I'm the Software Portfolio Product Manager at Fluke, and I'm going to show you how we will run procedures inside of CalStudio in our execution environment, which is referred to as CalStudio Conduct, where we conduct our calibration work. So you can see here I have a Mitutoyo caliper and gauge blocks that I'm going to use for that process. And in the software, I am in the CalStudio Conduct app right now. From the right-hand column, I'm going to start procedure. And here we're going to get a list of the procedures that are available for me to use. So here we have that Mitutoyo 500 series caliper, and I'm going to preview that. So we can look here and see exactly what that procedure is going to look like. We've got our test points here that have been defined. And you can see on the left, we've got kind of a layout of what that looks like, what the different sections of the procedure are, what the test points are. And so we're going to start this calibration. So here we are in the execution environment. You can see our progress bar across the top, so we know how far along in the procedure we are as we fill this out. We're just capturing one reading in each of these test points. So I'm going to put on my gloves here. And I also have for my gauge block set the gauge record that tells me what the deviation for any given block is. The resolution of this instrument isn't sufficient to show that in any of the applied values, but we could alter the applied value here to account for that in what the tolerances are and what the test limits are as we move forward. So starting here with my 1-inch block on my 1-inch test point. So that reads exactly 1 inch. So we will come over here and type in my 1.0000. So you can see as we enter these values, it is automatically giving us an evaluation of pass fail based on that procedure that we've defined. Moving to my 2-inch block. And then to my 3-inch. And then my 4. And now, since I need to ring a couple together to get my 5-inch point, and my 6-inch point. There we go. Okay. So as we finish entering our results here, you can see across all measurement points, it's giving us the readings, it's giving us the evaluation. I can complete this procedure and see those results as they're going to appear in that final report. I can enter information like my temperature and humidity for the work that was done, enter any remarks or comments, any additional observations. So that is the process there of performing a calibration. Now, as I save these results, those will go into a state where they need to be evaluated, but I can also look at my detailed report here of that result exactly the way that it appeared in the authoring environment when I wrote this procedure, so I can see those results once they're approved. And you can see here it's in that in review status, waiting for a metrologist or a manager to review that and finalize those results. So this has been how we execute a procedure in CalStudio. Thanks for watching.